Hi everybody, we're
Hey.
back. I'm not coughing. So excited.
That was us
but I'm
before.
going to be Vanna for now. And Cheri's going to talk about the upcoming In Stage, September 7th.
Let me get us. Here we go. We should have changed seats or something because we keep scrolling by us a few minutes ago.
Let's do
No,
that.
I mean just so I knew it was us
I got
now as opposed to us. It's like Back to the Future or no, Bill and Ted's. It's like Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. It's us 5 minutes
Or
ago.
Dumber.
So, I'm Cheri from Cheri's Cards. This is Tanya from the Wonder Basement, so she doesn't have to talk.
And I'm Susan from Steam Creatively.
Tanya has a sore throat, and if she talks too much, she coughs. But we just wanted to take a second to tell you about a couple of upcoming events that we have. When we first started talking about them, they were a long time away, and you know, time goes faster and faster. So now that one of them's especially getting super close to almost being here. So if you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you live in the Indianapolis area or like maybe 2 hours or so away, you'd be close enough to come. But you do have to be a demonstrator. If you're not a demonstrator, right now there's a great sign-up special, and you get $30 extra or $30 extra of free whatever you pick.
I think it's probably the best deal they've done for a long time.
So the kit's $99, free shipping. You just pay tax for your state, and you get to pick another $30. Is it 30 or 35?
I think it's 30 in August.
Yeah, and then you get some more in the month following. So you can sign up in July or August with this special. So you can go to any of our pages. We'll put them down below if you're interested in signing up so you can come to our event. And if you wait till August 1st to sign up, then you can pick stuff from the holiday catalog if you already have everything you want from this catalog. But we don't even have everything that we want from this catalog yet. So I don't know how y'all could have everything you want out of this catalog. I just placed an order for my camp, and I'm still flipping through this finding stuff that I want. So it's still early in this new catalog, and now we've got another new one on top of it. So on Saturday, September 7th, we will be hosting what we call In Stage, because Stampin' Up! Does On Stage, and we call it In Stage because it's in Indiana.
Yeah.
So that's where the in comes from. But it's going to be pretty much downtown Indy in one of the beautiful old neighborhoods in the town hall of Woodruff Place. So if you're coming, you'll get a little map to tell you where to go. It's from 10 to 4:30, and sign-ups stop on, I just wrote it down, August 10th.
Yeah.
There's too much going on in my head. So we're going to do 9 projects, and included in your registration, you are going to get a stamp set. So I will have one of my Vannas show you what stamp set.
So if you're going to be
Super
there,
cute.
don't order it August 1st.
So if you're coming, you're going to get this as part of your registration. So don't include it on your order. It's a Christmas one, so you don't need it on your first order.
You can order the punch, though, because that you're not going to get.
Yes, so and you will need it because you will have this after September 7th. So this will be part of it, and we promise that by the time you leave, you will have lots of ways to use it. So as part of the 9 projects, I would say at least half of them will use this, and we will have lots of samples too. So you'll definitely get your money's worth, especially because you won't have paid for it, free by the time this catalog is over.
On the cruise, this is the only thing that we got a complete bundle of. Everything else was the stamp set, and we had to order the framelits, or the framelits and we need to get the stamp set, or the punches, or whatever. This is the only one we got. I'm going to do a swap with 60. I'll have a lot of new ideas. A lot of new card swaps is basically what I'm going to do with anything in the holiday catalog. So I'll have lots of new swaps from other demonstrators all over the world.
So this is not our first event. We've hosted lots of events together. It will include lunch. It will give you'll have lots of ideas to take back so you can host classes. Ideas to use in your personal holiday, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Valentine's. So we'll cover everything that the holiday catalog covers. It's from 10 to 4:30. So if you live, 2 hours away, you don't have to get up at the crack of dawn to get there. And if you want to stay overnight in downtown Indy or someplace there, or if you want to go see the city afterwards to have dinner, but lunch is provided. Is that it for that day? Can you think of anything else? If you have any questions, let us know. Hi, Suze. We're looking forward to you being there. Feel
Yeah.
free to share this with other demonstrators that you know.
Mhm.
And then our other event will be in Michigan, and it's part of Onstage. Not part of it, but we're going to coordinate. Stampin' Up will be there for Onstage in November. So our event is the Friday before the Saturday event. So it's on November 8th. It's a Friday, and there will be 3 sessions to pick from. So if you're going to Center Stage, you will have to register early, so you get one of the earlier 2. But you'll be able to pick from 9:30 to 11:30, 1:30 to 3:30, or 4:30 to 6:30. And we're going to open sign-ups up for that on August 1st. And we have some very exciting stuff planned for that. It will not be holiday catalog.
No.
We'll go back to annual catalog because we won't have the occasions catalog yet. But we might have use of one set, and that will be maybe a sneak peek.
Yeah.
So we have something special up our sleeves. We have one way we might get something brand new.
Yeah, she's super excited to share it with us. She's
Yeah.
going to talk to him and make sure it works out. But
Yeah.
we'll go back to the annual catalog because in November, our businesses, I don't need any more Thanksgiving or Christmas projects or ideas. I'll be ready to move on to maybe some snow things or some Valentine's, and annual catalog things. Again, we go back to, I've had all my Christmas events by the time we go to Onstage.
And it probably won't be cards, what we do.
Yeah.
Probably not cards.
Maybe something.
Because we like not card things.
Mhm.
So we'll have
Yeah.
some fun stuff.
So we're excited about it. Again, those are 2 events we have upcoming. Don't miss the deadlines. Don't hesitate to ask us questions. We'll be happy to get you more information, answer any of your questions. This isn't our first event. We've done lots of them before, like Cheri said. So there's no crazy questions because, yes, there will be bathrooms. That's been a problem before.
Hi, Lisa from New Zealand.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us.
I just put the link down below, but I'll put it up above later after we've shared this too. But the link to register is now in the comments.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks,
Have a good
ladies.
one.
Have a good day. Bye.